What if the answers to life's tests could only be accessed through surrendering to your desires? Could you trust yourself to follow your bliss and know that you'd come out on the other side in one piece? I'm Camila Shakur, author and host of Walking the Path, where we provide tools and support for your self-discovery and spiritual development. Today, we're doing something a little different. I'm bringing my meditations to Substack, and the topic of this one is trusting yourself. It's not long and there's something special at the end, so stick around. Now, let's get into a receptive mode and begin. When you trust yourself, you rely less on rigidity and more on intuition. You allow yourself to play, explore, and experience things that reveal you to yourself. Solutions become easier to access. Enjoyment becomes ritualistic. Your energy becomes your ally, something you work with and not against. As you prioritize honoring your natural rhythms, you are able to see where you are forcing and resisting instead of being present and accepting what you need to do in each moment. This allows you to trust your body, spirit, and mind to guide you into action appropriately. In order to flow, you need to trust. You will not crash and burn by allowing yourself to flow. You have permission to trust the direction your spirit is leading you in. As you program your mind to work with your heart and your spirit, the way that you think will serve you more and more. You are actively creating evidence of how much you can depend on yourself. Building trust does not happen instantly. It's okay if it takes time for you to feel like you can trust yourself, even when you have the evidence. Your relationship to self-doubt is deteriorating. You don't need self-doubt to prove that you are being cautious or careful. What you have accomplished thus far is impressive. The way you've tended to your healing, your heart, the hearts of others, your goals. Your present state is proof that you are credible, so give yourself credit. You know what you're doing. Even when you feel lost or confused, you know where to find help and guidance. You have spirits all around you helping you sharpen your inner knowing. It is safe for you to follow your bliss and see where it leads. Your discernment and your spiritual team are protecting you. There is important information hidden within your desires. You have every right to find out more about yourself and why you want what you want. Diving into your desires acts as a baptism. What you learn from immersing yourself into your desires helps you chart your course as you walk your path. On the other side of surrendering to your bliss is clarity and purification. You are responsible. You are supported. You can handle whatever comes up. You can trust yourself to journey past your fear. I pray this meditation has been affirming and encouraging for you. I pray these words sink into your heart, your spirit, and your consciousness, helping you to step boldly into chapters of your life you have avoided due to not trusting that you could handle it. You can. And you can take your time stepping into this new paradigm. But when it's time to go, I hope this helps you know what you are capable of. As I said at the beginning, I have a gift to offer as a thank you for making it to the end of this meditation. If you're wrestling with self-doubt or feeling paralyzed because you don't trust yourself, I would love to make you a free personalized playlist to help you shift into trusting yourself more through music and frequency. I've been utilizing music in my work as a spiritual practitioner for years, and I've been classically trained in music for decades. If you want to claim your personal power playlist, there will be a link in this post you can click. This free offering will be available until August 16th. I have a service where I create personalized affirmations and reflection prompts for people, which is morphing into personalized meditations. This service is for you if you have been having trouble navigating certain life cycles, working through blockages, accepting yourself as you are, or getting affirmations to work for you. Not only will I create the affirmations based on what you specifically need, I will also record them for you to listen to with relevant frequency medicine as well. You can simply listen to these, or you can use them as a template for creating your own meditations, since it's very powerful to listen to your own voice. If you're interested in a personalized meditation, visit my site. The link will be in this post. You'll be able to purchase the service there. I'll be co-hosting a donation-based workshop next week with Mariah of the Barefoot Beat. We're using the new moon in Leo to support one another in clearing self-doubt, not playing small, and getting into the spirit of play. There will be a link to sign up for the workshop in this newsletter as well. If you haven't already, go check out my Venus retrograde meditation on YouTube and subscribe for more content like that. If you enjoyed this meditation, please consider reciprocating the energy by leaving a comment and liking, making a love donation, or becoming a paid subscribed member of Walking the Path. Pay links will be in the body of this email and post. Use the energy of this Leo season to empower yourself. Use your fire to burn through self-doubt and cultivate trust in yourself from the ashes. Once again, I'm Camila Shakur, and I hope you have a great week. Peace.